also part of the game. This
Nothing will go to
definitely
court now.
research
Shri
and
Javed
object-
Ali Khan, not present. Shri Santosh Kumar P, not present. Shrimati Vandana Chauhan, not present. Shri Sadanand, Shet, Tanavade.
Thank you, Chairman, sir. I stand to support the bill aimed to amend the Central Universities Act 2009, which is to be empower and establish central universities for teaching and research in various area states. The bill is welcome as it seeks establish a central tribal universities in Telangana and also will provide avenues of higher education and research facilities primarily for the tribal population of India. This bill contemplates to impart quality education to the students to make them employable, as also will improve the quality of education in the country. Over past many decades, the backlog to fill up the vacancies reserved for a privilege has been increasing. This bill will provide needed support to bring in more SCs and STs in higher education systems and universities. I also support the bill for it will help fulfill the regional aspiration and regional distinctiveness. At this juncture, I would humbly request respected Prime Minister Modi ji to consider setting up of center-sponsored International Sports University in Goa to include programs in physical education, sports, sports event management, and sports medicine in the state of Goa. The necessary infrastructure created by the Goa government for successfully hosting Lusophonia Games and the National Games also will put to better usage. The proposal in the bill to convert the National Rail and Transportation Institute, Vadodara, a deemed university, to the Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya, it is in the tune with Gati Shakti initiative and the vision of national logistic policy and deserves a big welcome. Overall, the intention and the action of the Modi government seems to be perfectly uncertain with the aspiration of general public and in tune with the requirement of time. On my personal behalf and the Goa state I represent, we stand firmly in support of the bill. Thank you, Chairman.
Honorable